welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today's video is all about relaxation. Just sit back, enjoy, and listen to the beautiful music, and let me know in the comment section what you think. So this is the painting I'm going to be working on today. It's a little bit older one and I love it. It's really wonderful with the contrasting of the reds and the oranges against the blue, and it's very vibrant. It's very beautiful, but I'd like to change up the top. I love my clouds, and I think I'd like to make it a little bit more realistic on top and a little bit more, leave it the abstract at the bottom. I like that contrast as well. So let's see what happens. Can't buy me love, can't buy me love. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. I'll get you anything, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. 'Cause I don't care too much for money, money can't buy me love. I'll give you all I've got to give if it makes you feel alright. I may not have a lot to give, but what I got I'll give to you. But I don't care too much for money, money can't buy me love, can't buy me love. Everybody tells me so, can't buy me love. No, 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 no. took a couple of days to complete this, but I love it now. I do love the drama of the sky. I did change it a few times, but I think this really works really well. And then I had a bit of a change over here, but I was trying to plant a bunch of trees all across. It just didn't like it. And then I came up with this, and you can kind of see some abstracted trees there as well. And toned down the bottom, you can still see some of the red coming through. And I love the drips that come down. It's almost like the roots of the trees that are coming way, way down, which I really, really like. And then I thought I would just add a little bit of a highlight on one of these buildings and spray on those little windows. And here it is. This is the painting. Let me know what you think. And if you click on the link you see now, you can see more of my paintings. And here are the colors that I used. The Desserts Cadmium Yellow, Liquitex Burnt Sienna, Amsterdam Phthalo, oh my goodness, how do you say that? Phthalo Red, I think. Amsterdam, Titanium White, Liquitex, and it is a light blue. And then the Pebbio Studio Paints Gray and Amsterdam, and that is Vermilion, it's called. Those are the colors that I used in this beautiful painting.